Once within striking distance, they launch a powerful attack, using their weight and momentum to knock their victim off balance. Their sharp claws and teeth make short work of even the largest prey animals, such as elk, wild boar, and even bears. Tigers are also known to hunt in water, using rivers and streams as both a hunting ground and a means of transportation. They are powerful swimmers and have been known to kill prey as large as moose in the water. Their ability to hunt in a variety of habitats and to take down a wide range of prey species makes them highly adaptable and successful predators.